3. Mahalat-halat pa si Odulio. Bye, binigay kay Chan Chan. Chan Chan, nagmamadali. Chan Chan, hindi lumipad. Binigay kay number 12. Number 12, drop pass to Bigoy. Bigoy, 2 points. Ilua. Rebound ni number 12. Number 12. Binigay kay Kume. Kume, binigay kay Odulio. Odulio versus Bye. Huli ka! Kay John Gale Chabay-Bay.
Ba't ganun yung cellphone niya yan? Kuya Algi nagpo-post. Baka ka full storage mo.
Hindi, baka mainit lang. Baka mainit lang. Gabo, tumanggap. 15 to shoot. Onyot for 3. 3 points! Kuya Onyot. Kuya Gabo. Bigoy ngayon may kagdala ng mga 18 to shoot.
Nag-iinit.
Bigoy, binigay kay Chan Chan. Chan Chan, nagkaroon ng pakusahan. Nakita si Bigoy. Bigoy, back to Chan Chan. Chan Chan, 9 to shoot. Chan Chan to Bye. Bye, 6 to shoot. Bye, driving baseline. Reverse layup is good. 2 points. John Chabay-Bay. Our score, 24-22 in favor of Team Maroon. Gabo, binigay kay Odulio. 15 to shoot. Odulio, humingi ng screen. Nakita si Gabo. 12 to shoot. Gabo, fakes. Crosses over. Foul, number 12. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Inbound. Odulio receives. 20 on the shot clock. Binigay kay Gabo. Gabo, binigay kay Onyot. Onyot! Muntik na mahuli. Ino recovers the ball but doesn't make it. Out, no one's there. So stolen by Odulio. 20 to shoot. Odulio. Nagaw ni Chan Chan. Chan Chan nagmamadali. Chan Chan. Chan Chan. Binigay kay number 12. Binigay kay John Pao. Number 12. Change 5. Number 12, free throw. Ilang pa rin yun? Maroon na. First personal foul. First team foul. First team foul. Warning for technical. Number 9 ng Team Maroon. Unsportsmanlike behavior. Warning lang, warning. Warning na, warning. Second shot, Aureliano is good. Wait lang, change 5 po tayo. RJ inbound to RJ. Last 5 minutes remaining in the second quarter. RJ finds Samson. Samson finds RJ. To Potts. Potts to RJ. To RJ. 9 to shoot. Turnover. Our score all tied up at 24. Justin ang may hawak ng bola. 18 to shoot. Justin, binigay kay Kuya PA. Kuya PA for 3. It's short. Rebound, Samson. Samson bringing down the ball. Samson, binigay kay Potts. RJ tumanggap. 15 to shoot. RJ to Samson. Samson to RJ. RJ takes a 3. Huli ni Puza. Block by Puza yon. Miranda pinasa kay Pacardo. Pacardo to Puza. 2 points. Puza. Assist by Pacardo. Shot clock at 19. RJ. 2 Potts. Potts. Floater. 2 points. Assist by RJ. 2 points for Luis Maningas. Miranda. 15 to shoot. Miranda. Mataas ang pasa. Can't connect the pass. Score all tied up at 26. RJ ngayon may hawak ng bola. 19 on the shot clock. RJ pinasa kay Samson. 15 to shoot. Samson spin move. No good. Tapik ni James. Outlet pass to Justin. Medyo malakas. Mahabol mo kay Justin. Nope. Hindi mahabol. Turnover. Nakakunti na mahabol ni Ardo. Balik to RJ. Potts. Thought about it. Doesn't take it. 14 to shoot. RJ. RJ. 10 to shoot. Bigay kay Samson. Samson. Floater. No good. Rebound pa Ardo. Foul. Who's foul ref?
Si Boops.
84. Maharot. Second team foul. First personal foul. Score all tied up at 26 pa rin. Miranda ngayon ang may hawak ng ball. 17 to shoot. Miranda pull up 3. No good. Rebound Pacardo. Pacardo. Ball back. 2 points. Pacardo. Wala pa. 28-26 lamang na ang team yellow. RJ. 17 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Pots to RJ. RJ to 4J. 4J to RJ. RJ drives. 7 to shoot. RJ to Samson. No good. Rebound ni Puza. Puza, nagmamadali. Puza. Inabot ni Samson. Grabe ang bilis ni Samson. Last 2 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Justin. 13 to shoot. Binigay kay Puza. Puza driving base. Ay humana si Maharot. Maharot foul. Second personal foul. 13 foul.
Foul.
2 shots for Puza.
Grabe yung ulan.
Puza. First shot is good. 29-26 on score. Second shot for Puza is good. Our score 1 minute and 37 seconds remaining. Shot clock is at 15. But back to 4J. 4J to RJ. RJ takes a 3. Is good. RJ Rats. Assist by 4J. Our score 30-29. Lamang ng isang team yellow. Joe, bumabangga. Joe, no foul score. Maharot rebound. Binigay kay RJ. 19 to shoot. RJ setting the ball. 4J humihingi ng bola.